back to Red Ted Art. I have another craft for you and a nice printable. Yes, guess what this one is? Let's take a look. It's a Union Jack Cootie Catcher or Fortune Teller. Now, I made these really quickly yesterday because it's the royal wedding on Saturday, and I've had lots of people asking me what kind of crafts they can create for the royal wedding, and I've done a little blog post which I'm going to add at the end of the video about royal wedding crafts and Union Jack crafts, and this is a printable which I think would be great for schools. And what I think would be really fun is if you added maybe some trivia about the royal wedding in here, or you could add trivia about the royal family or about Britain or anything like that. So it could be a really good learning tool as well. And don't worry, my American friends, I have a great US flag coming for you soon, but first it's the British one for the royal wedding. As you know, cootie catchers are really quick and easy to make. Hi Anna, nice to see you. Oh, and look, I have my Union Jack ring. It's really simple. You print out your free printable because it is free, cut it out, and then assemble it. Now I apologize if my fingers are a bit mucky. I have been painting today with, actually no, I've not been painting. I've been making tissue paper flowers with 30 5- and 6-year-olds. But before I started crafting with them, one of them spilt a whole load of black paint all over their table. So I had to clean that up first. It was a bit messy. The flowers are going to be their teacher's wedding bouquet. How cool is that? Anyway, that's just a little digression. So, how to make a cootie catcher. The majority of you will know how to do this already. If you don't, I shall show you quickly. You turn it around. You bring the fold up. This is just to give you some guiding creases. Look at those mucky fingers. That was the paint they spilled. So it doesn't matter. I cleaned it up and we made some lovely flowers. Fold it in this direction. So you do the 2 folds to create a cross. It obviously matches up with the printable. Then you take each corner and bring it to the center. Really easy. And again. And again. What I love about cootie catchers, look, I haven't done that very neat. What I love about cootie catchers and the likes is if the child isn't folding super neatly, they usually still work and they usually still look great. So it's a really good origami for younger children to have a go at. So once you've got this, you turn it around. Good morning to LA. Nice to see you there. Is it nice and sunny where you are? It's sunny where we are. Okay, now you bring each corner in again. So this is another reason why this is a great origami for younger children, because you're actually doing the same step over and over again, and it's really easy for them to remember. So yes, they do have to do straight-ish lines, but it's a really repetitive origami pattern with a fun toy at the end. So now you've folded it again, and then you basically bring it together. Yes, I do have a printable. I'll add it to the video at the end, Catherine. Or if you can't wait, if you go to my website, redtedart.com, it's right there on the home page. So I've given it another fold in both directions. Now comes a little tricky bit, but once the kids get used to it, it's no problem. You basically squeeze all the 4 points together, and then you open it up. Let's see, look at that. The Union Jack is appearing. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make a Union Jack cootie catcher, fortune teller, chatterbox, whatever you call it. That's how easy it is to make. Now, I have to confess, there's an upside way and an upside down way to the Union Jack. I can never remember which way around you're supposed to do it, but you might want to look that up and teach the kids about that as well. And that was it, really. Free printable on redtedart.com today. If you go to the home page, you should just scroll down, it should be there. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Have a nice royal wedding. Print a whole set of these out. Let the kids play with them whilst you're having your barbecues and your Pims and maybe some Prosecco to celebrate Harry and Meghan getting married. And the kids can have a play with these. And that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care and see you again soon. Bye.